I'm Victoria. I am passionate about the program in that it very much is a lifestyle. I joined it to start with predominantly for the meal planning and just, 3 to 5 kilos, which were making clothes a bit snug. And I'd worked amongst women's health at some stage in my career, and I thought, I'm heading to 50 and I don't want that muffin top happening. I'm about, I think, week 10 into the first round of my first lifestyle 12 months. I like the tracking. Being a snacker is my weakness. Michelle's program gives snacks and gives a huge variety of snacks and snacks that I can, offer to my kids as well, that are fun to make. Also, I love on the app, there's little mini workouts. So if I say to myself, I don't feel like working out, I go, I'll just do this 10-minute one and I'm guaranteed just to feel a bit more energy and brighter. It's a sustainable program. It's not like I'm stepping aside just for these 12 weeks and doing a diet. It's ongoing. Before 12WBT, I felt quite sort of trapped in a cycle of snacking and then skipping meals, which is not a great example to my young children in my house, but it wasn't great for my energy levels. And now I feel a freedom to feel like I can fit in and enjoy life without thinking I've got to be restrictive in my eating. And that was really important. I've got 2 grandchildren now, and I want them to see by example